I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy homemade rolls. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Also, have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter ready. These basic items are the foundation for wonderfully soft rolls. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. First, in a large bowl, combine the warm milk, sugar, and yeast, letting it bloom for about 5 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Then, add the melted butter, flour, and salt, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and grow. Place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth, round roll and arrange them in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Almost there. Let your shaped rolls rise for a second time, covered, for about 30 minutes until they look puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown on top. For an extra touch of deliciousness, brush them with melted butter right after they come out of the oven. Enjoy your warm, homemade rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.